At Dollar Tree, I found this triple compartment container. I unscrewed everything, filled one side with hot Cheetos, the middle container has Oreos, covered it with tape, the other half I filled with Kool-Aid, assembled everything, and now I have plenty of snacks for the classroom. At Dollar Tree, I found this cool mini drawer organizer for supplies. With tape, I made sure they weren't transparent anymore, and then I added dividers. The front will hold regular supplies and the back my candy. No one will know that there's candy there. At Dollar Tree, I found this really cool Avengers cup. It's freaking awesome because the bottom is a secret compartment for my M&Ms, and Coca-Cola will be my drink. Definitely lots of sugar for the classroom. At Dollar Tree, I bought this round dual desktop organizer which I can use to put hot Cheetos and lemon heads in. With tape, they won't be see-through anymore, and now I'll have access to my snacks in class. At Dollar Tree, I found this teddy bear push-pop container. Pushing on the button makes it pop open and reveal a lollipop. So if you attach this on your pencil, you'll have access to it all day while at school. Follow me for more.